In this video, I want to show you how to turn your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and even Air on, off, and also how to restart it. How do you turn your iPhone off? Easy. Drag down from the top right corner, even if you're in an app for say, and on the top right corner, you're going to notice a power button. You need to keep it pressed 1 second. And then you're going to get this slider that says slide to power off. Do this, and in around 3 or 4 seconds, your phone will be completely turned off. When you want to power on your iPhone, you simply have to keep press the power button until you see the Apple logo. So I'm keeping it pressed and I'm looking at the screen. The Apple logo came. I can release the button, and this iPhone is very fast to wake up. Usually in under 10 seconds, you should be able to type your password and start using it. Now, how do you restart your phone? Let me just unlock it over here. To restart your iPhone, on this side, you see this is volume up. This is the volume down button, and on the other side, this is the power button. We need to do a key combination that is quickly done. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Even if you see this on the display, don't worry, just keep that power button pressed until you see the Apple logo. Wait a bit more. Here we go. Now you can release. So it's volume up, volume down, and pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo. Everything needs to be done quickly, because if you take your time, okay, volume up, volume down, and then power button, it will not work. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.